there guys, this is DJ Android Geek here, just doing a quick test on versus the mid-range phones. You got the HTC Wildfire, HTC Explorer, Sony Ericsson, w.Walkman, and then the Samsung Galaxy Mini. These are all low-end range phones. You probably pick them up for about about £20 a month on the decent price plan. So first off, I'll start off with a speed test, the normal speed test. Should I read? I don't know. I don't want to read it. I just want to agree. Just accept that. I agree. And let me begin the tests. First off, I'm going to do this test, and I'm going to do the second test, which we cannot do on this Sony Ericsson Samsung Mini. After that, I'm going to just do some website tests just to see if it's accurate. As you can see, the Sony Ericsson is picking up the fastest speeds, nearly 5 gig, and the slowest one is the Samsung Mini. I'll do 2 out of 2 times just to see if it's the phone or just it picking up the network. As you can see, the Sony's come first, then it's the HTC Intel, then the HTC Wildfire S, and then the Samsung Galaxy Mini. What I'm going to do as well, I can see the GPS is on the HTC as well. So I'm going to take that off. So GPS as well, turn that off. Same on this. Turn off the GPS. Could have just done it that way. Where's the quick link to GPS on this? So I need to go in settings. Sorry about this, guys. Just to see if that will change the actual stats of what we just saw. Let's just turn that off as well. Let's go back into that. And let's try that test again. Okay. As you can see, the Sony is only picking up 1 meg now. So it's very variable, the speeds, but you can see the Sony still is the dominant one compared to the other 3 devices. Actually, tell a lie, the HTC still is picking up the on tour. It's still picking up high speeds regardless, so it's not got intermittent speeds, which is pretty cool. Let me just try one more test. The on tour is the newest one actually, then it's the Sony Ericsson with Live, and then the HTC Wildfire S, and then the Samsung Galaxy Mini. So as you can see now, this on tour is really good for internet speeds. The Wildfire won that round, so it's quite intermittent between these ones. The highest speeds I've got was 5 on this one and 3 on this one. 2s, I'm getting average 2s, that just stays the same, and the Mini is struggling to get up to 1.5. But let's move on to another test. The Mini, which is the Samsung Mini, is unable to find this application, so I will not be able to do the test on that. But I'll do the test for the other stuff on the next round. So if I just go to the top there, frequently. Okay, this is Extreme Labs speed test, which I find really good as well. HTC's coming green and Sony Ericsson's coming blue. Okay, complete. Let's see who's got the best tests. So we would go to the Sony Ericsson, then the HTC on tour, and then the HTC Wildfire. Let's try that once more. Just bear with it. And let's try that one because I don't know what was playing on with that. And this time the Sony's come again ahead, and then this on tour is just coming back. Look at that with vengeance, nearly 3 meg on that. Uploads 2 meg something, 2 meg. So yeah, these are really good phones, but these two are really good on the internet. Now exiting that and bringing the mini back, let's just go on little apps like maybe YouTube and just see how well they do on those, just as a quick test. So we've got YouTube there, and we'll just look for like just some bait YouTube videos and just see how how quick they can pick them up. This is automatically keeps going into landscape mode, which is a little bit annoying. You can change that. Never mind, it's not the end of the world. Okay. So we'll go to one where both of them have a video. So that's the same. Go to this makeup one. And we'll click on those and just see. So we've got the two HTCs. And we've got these. So the two HTCs and then.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Pixie Room. Today Sam and I are doing a giveaway. We want to say a huge thank you to everyone because we reached 400,000 subscribers, which is amazing.
Quality wise, pretty good on all of them. Started up pretty simultaneously, to be honest. That was